lay on your back. Look to the left. Okay, good. Okay, alright, let's go here. So big thing, yeah, just try get the moving the spine, yes. Fantastic, okay. Let's go back. Alright, let's lay this side up here, facing you. Okay. That's good, right? You don't have to, one less thing to worry about. And so, like your usually symptoms come up because it's something that your body's letting you know. Let's lay on your back, stay face up. And so the big thing is the C2. Okay. Right, look to the left. Okay, good. Okay, fantastic. All right, let's go with that. That is nice and smooth. So.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank
Yeah.
you.